Hello, my lovely students. How are you today? Our lesson today is about food. All of you know that food is necessary for the proper functioning of the body. يعني الفود هو ضروري for our body to do its functions. It provides the body with the materials and the energy necessary for its growth. اوكي يعني الفود هو بيعطي جسمنا كل الماتيريالز والانرجي والطاقة اللي هو بحاجة إلها in order to grow. To maintain good health, it's necessary to adopt a balanced diet. يعني لحتى نحافظ على صحتنا على صحة جيدة لازم وشي كتير ضروري إنه ناكل الفود in balanced amounts. يعني نتأقلم مع balanced diet. أكيد مش دايت هو شيء تخفيف الأكل. balanced diet هو نقدر ناكل كل الفود but in balanced amounts. Okay, and in this lesson we are going to study how do we have a balanced diet. Okay, first of all we are going to recognize where do the foods come from, which is the origin of food. Okay, second we are going to recognize what are the food groups, and we have 6 groups, and the third objective is how to have a balanced amount, and finally, do foods have the same utility for the human body? We are going to recognize if foods have the same utility. Utility يعني الفائدة، يعني كل الفود عندهم نفس الفائدة لجسمنا. We are going to recognize this at the end of the lesson. First, we are going to study about the origin of food. In this session, we are going to study about the first 2 objectives. Okay? The origin of food. Origin of food يعني مصدر الفود. من وين عم يجي؟ You should know that we have 3 origins of food. The first origin is animal origin, the second plant origin, and the third one is the mineral origin. Okay? Let's observe. First, we have pineapple. Pineapple comes from plants, yeah? So, its origin is plant origin. The cheese comes from the animals. Okay, يعني cheese هي مع dairy products اللي بيجوا من animals, cow and sheep. Water, it has a mineral origin. Water and salt هن ما بيجوا لا من plant origin ولا من الانيمال origin. They are from mineral origin. Okay, نحن بنستخرجهم من from the sea. Okay, then we have the chicken, fish, these are from animal origin, and the strawberry from plant origin. Okay, let's go to the second page. We are going to indicate where does each of the above foods come from. As I told you, pineapple, strawberry, and bread come from plants. bread هو example جديد عطونا إياه ما في فوتو إله. البريد هو نستخرجه نصنعه من القمح. Okay, يعني from plant origin. Cheese, chicken, and fish are from animal origin. The third question, do water and salt come from animals or plants? They don't come from animals or plants, neither from animals nor from plants. So we have to say no. Where can we extract water and salt from? From the sea, of course. Now let's complete these sentences. Most of the foods that we eat come from either animals, then are said to be of animal origin, plants, and then are said to be of plant origin. Some foods such as water and salt don't come from animals or plants. They are considered of mineral origin. Okay, so we can conclude that the foods that we eat are from animal origin, such as fish, or from plant origin, such as fruits, or mineral origin, such as salt and water. Okay? Our second objective is to recognize the groups of food. You should know that we have 6 groups of food. Group 1 contains meat, eggs, fish, okay, which are foods rich in protein and they are of animal origin. اوكي يعني لازم نحفظ براسنا شكلهم لهودي الجروبس كرمال نحفظ بكل جروب شو في عندي وشو هي بتأمن لي. اوكي it's important for our body. Group 2 contains milk, cheese يعني dairy products. These foods are rich in calcium. اوكي هن اللي بيعطونا الكالسيوم for our body. Group 3 contains butter, oil, nuts and sausage. These foods are rich in fat. اوكي يعني هذا الفود هن rich in fat. And group 4 contains bread, pasta, potatoes, rice, sugar and jam. Foods rich in sugar and starch. هذا الفود هن فيهم sugar وفيهم starch نشا. اوكي These groups are energy giving foods يعني هن اللي بيعطوني energy. اللي فيهم starch واللي فيهم sugar هن واللي فيهم fat هن اللي بيعطونا energy. اوكي واللي فيهم calcium and protein groups 1 and 2 they are body building food يعني they help our body to grow up. And group 5 contains vegetables and fruits cooked or uncooked. okay These foods are rich in vitamins and fibers. فيهم vitamins فيتامينات كتير منيحة وفيهم الفايبرز الألياف. okay and they are called protective foods. From grade 1, 2 and 3 we have studied about them. They are the protective foods. okay They help our body to fight all the microbes. And finally, group 6 contains water and fruit juice, fresh juice. okay I want you to memorize these groups, okay, and their importance to our body. And in the next session, we are going to solve the questions that follow. okay يعني please جربوا رسموها براسكم واحفظوا كل جروب شو فيها اشياء شو الامبورتنس لها. اوكي يعني لازم نحفظ انه جروب 1 هي فيها meat, eggs and fish وهن rich in protein. جروب 2 هي فيها milk, cheese وهن rich in calcium. These two groups, group 1 and 2, هن body building food, contain body building food. Okay, like this.